Hi Bookies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominique if you're new, and in today's video I'm going to be installing this 13x6 30-inch straight wig from Yawawe hair, and it came out super cute. I love me a good bust down middle part, like get into it. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, keep on watching.
stay focused. You must think I got to be joking when I say I don't think I can wait. I just need it now. Let it swing my way. I just need some dick. I just need some love. Tired of fucking with these lame niggas, baby. I just need a love. Won't you be my plug, ayy? You could be the one, ayy. You start with a handshake, baby. I'ma need more than a hug. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say yeah. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say how. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Oh nah. Give it to me like you need it, baby. Want you to hear me screaming, heavy breathing. I don't need a reason, baby. I want it till you can't buy. I can get it to you right, baby. I wanna be healing. I can be real good. Please don't get any feelings. Hey, I need some love. Hey, I need some love. Hey, I need some love. Hey, and you can't judge.
You don't really call on me like you should. Think about roll through the hood. Problems, but everything's all good. My love, your nigga doesn't want smoke with me. Nah, no way. Trust me, it's all okay. Trust me, it's all. You just need someone that's calm and patient. Submission, domination. Archback, deep stroke, white wine, we smoke. That's my best combination. You just need some dick with no complications. You just need some. You just need some late night attention, unconditioned. All that you're missing, my babe. Fucked up, shouldn't even have to justify. I get it, I'm on your side. Guys get their way all the time. Besides, passion not meant for one side. You should just do what's best for your mind. How about I just take my time? You call up my line, I fall up inside you. Girls need love too, I know.
Girls need love. Girls need love. Say something. Girls need love. Girls need love and girls need love. Girls need love. So what's a girl to do? She needs love and girls need love too. What have you become? That's what you've been. I was blind, I was in it, I was bad. Oh, I thought that I was changing you. I can't believe I faced you. You know your mama ain't raised you like that. Look at your behavior, that's what she is ashamed of you. Damn, look at what you become.
And this is the final look of the install. It came out super cute. I love me a good bust down middle part. Like, get into it. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you think. And last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned for my next YouTube video. Bye!